pictures. Shut up and ride. Shut up and ride.
What?
Shut up and ride.
Damn. Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Down. Oh God, no.
I like it, bro. What up, homies? What is cracking? We got your boy Kurt. We got your boy Zach. We got your boy Kevin with us. We got the real biker over there. Real biker. And today is Monday, homies, and it is cold and it is windy. It's not too bad, but on the highway though, Zach said it was pretty bad. Luckily, me and your boy Kevin, we don't have to go on the highway, so.
It says DGK, dirty ghetto kid, is what that one said.
Damn.
He doesn't know about the other one.
Ah, got him. Check. Check.
That fucking thing is so loud.
Today is just a freaking casual ride. No purpose like always. Damn, bro.
Hey, fuck! I'm cramping.
Oh, cramp. Cramp. Oh my God.
I think I'm good.
You good now, bro?
I'm good.
Oh my God. Yes. Damn, homie, straight up got crap over here, bro. That sucks.
They like started as soon as that car was slowing down. What to do?
You alright there, bro? You back on track?
I think so.
Oh man.
I have to stand up for a second.
Oh.
Fuck.
Who's got a cramp while riding? That's what I want to know. Who else has got a cramp while riding? I don't think I've ever got a cramp while riding.
Oh, that was awesome.
You know what though? I did pee on myself once while riding. Yeah.
What? Okay, I got it.
Okay, so one time.
Hey, no challenge.
Yeah. So, okay, homie. So I know this is gonna sound ridiculous, but so one time I'm going out to the homie's Eric's house, and so it's about like a 30-minute drive, right? So I leave my house 5 minutes like after I leave my house, I need to go pee, right? So I'm like, oh man, so the whole way I'm riding, and it was cold, so I'm going, and freaking, I'm like 20 minutes away from his house, bro. And I was so I needed to go pee so bad that like I had to pee on my tip, bro. Like it was on the tip. Like I mean, going towards that way, for all y'all from Oklahoma, once you jump on 75 and you get to a certain point heading towards Mounds, there isn't any freaking like QTs or any gas stations. So I'm riding, bro, and I freaking hit this big old, it was like this, it wasn't big, but it was a pothole big enough for me that whenever I hit it, bro, like it just came out, bro. Like I just peed myself. Like it wasn't a lot, but it was enough, ow, to be able to say I pissed myself. That's my story on how I peed myself on my bike. Do a quick little shout out para toda mi familia ya. Y'all know who you are. Ooh.
Get a little squeaky back there.
What's up to everyone from LA that's watching this? What was that?
What the fuck? I don't know. He's like making.
Wow. What's up, bro? I feel sorry for Drew, man. He couldn't make it. Hey, bro, this ride's for you, buddy. I know you couldn't make it, and I know you wanted to ride, but you were too lazy to take your Grom.
Oh, looks like we're running it.
You were too lazy to take your Grom to the freaking Honda dealership. I told you, bro. I told you, go get that gasket maker. If you would have done that, bro, like everyone else told you, you would have been here with us right now. You would have been here with your bro.
Get some fucking grape jelly.
Yeah. For real. Oh, but no.
I hate these stoplights like on the side because I always forget that they're there.
I know.
And there's been
Pictures. Shut up and ride. Shut up and ride.
What?
Shut up and ride.
outstanding.
Outstanding. Oh, what's going on here? Are we going the wrong way?
Nope. This is like a little traffic circle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome to downtown Tulsa, everybody.
We gotta go right to go.
Oh, can I just go on top of that?
Dude, do it. Do it. Dude, what the fuck are we doing? What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck? Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get it.
Get it. I don't know.
I'm so fucking confused.
What are we doing? I don't know, but America! Yeah.
Hey, where are we going?
I don't know. Let's go to the center of the universe.
Okay, the 2.5.
Okay. You just ran out. Wow. I'm there. Okay. Okay. You just ran out. Wow. You totally ran that red light. It's a fucking big circle. He just takes another left.
No, I think we're going right. We're going the right way. We're trying to catch the center of the universe. Are we lost?
I think.
Have you ever gone to the center of the universe?
I think I've been there once, but it was like over 10 years ago. So, I mean,
It's been a long time. Okay.
it's hard to tell which way we're going because he always has his fucking turn signal on.
I know. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. I know where we're at now.
You know, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Place fucking hurts donuts.
You don't like it?
No, it's like they put like the nastiest shit on fucking donuts.
Damn.
Ain't nothing wrong with a fucking regular glazed donut.
Wow.
Bitch.
Got him.
Kick your bike into gear.
Dude.
Yeah. I was like, don't want him to fall.
Oh, it smells good. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh, I know.
Damn.
What happened?
I don't know why I'm like not next to Zach.
I don't do that type of stuff, bro. Oh, look at, we got the same boots.
What?
Ah, snap.
Where are we going?
I'm not sure, wherever.
Cold as fuck.
Oh my god.
That was a mistake.
Okay, I'll open the door for you, bro.
Thank you. I gotta fold my mirrors. Get my gloves on. Really full blood here.
Imagine there's cameras in there.
Oh my god, there are people like over on this other side.
Oh my god. We're in downtown Tulsa right now. I'm not sure what's going on here, but your boy Zach is letting them use their bike in a photo shoot. So that's pretty cool. Shout out to Zach for being such a nice guy. Damn, look at this bike though. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Shut up and ride.
Oh, that's stiff.
That's what she said.
Not to you.
Yeah, it is stiff though.
This ain't right. This ain't just.
What are you doing?
I buy houses.
Yes. You good? What up, man? Nice to meet you.
I know exactly who you are.
Yeah? You recognize the bike?
Yeah. This.
Oh, you recognize this? Nice.
Yeah, I saw that little video you put up the other day about you almost biting the dust.
Oh, yeah.
I saw that. As soon as I saw the brakes, I was like, oh, fuck.
Yeah, dude, that was freaking close, dude.
Oh, dude, this morning, so I rode into work this morning because it was so nice this afternoon. I didn't realize there was a patch of ice in the entrance of
Ooh.
work. So I was taking it and I was like, you know, a decent little turn and my ass just goes.
Dang. Hell nah. Yeah, it's sketchy riding out right now.
I thought you were going. Alright, homies, I'm gonna cut the video out right here. If you like what you see, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. Peace out.
Yeah.